Greetings, garden enthusiasts. If you've ever dreamed of turning your outdoor space into a captivating wonderland, you're in for a treat. Today, we're unveiling a curated collection of enchanting garden lighting ideas that'll elevate your outdoor experience. From the gentle glow of string lights to the dramatic allure of uplighting, we've got inspiration for every corner of your garden. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to creating a magical oasis right in your backyard. Let's dive into these mesmerizing ideas.
Garden lighting can transform your outdoor space into a magical, inviting area to enjoy during the evening. Here are some garden lighting ideas to create the perfect ambience. Pathway lighting. Install low voltage or solar powered lights along pathways to guide visitors and create a safe, welcoming atmosphere. Options include lantern style lights, bollard lights, or recessed fixtures. String lights. String lights are versatile and can be hung from trees, pergolas, or along fences to add a warm and charming glow to your garden. Fairy lights. These delicate small LED lights can be wrapped around trees, shrubs, or trellises to create a whimsical and enchanting atmosphere. Spotlights. Use spotlights to highlight specific garden features like statues, water features, or beautiful plants. Adjustable fixtures are ideal for flexibility. Uplighting. Place lights at the base of trees, bushes, or architectural elements to cast light upwards, creating a dramatic and unique effect. Dome lighting. Install lights in trees or on tall structures to cast a gentle, moonlight like illumination over your garden. It's perfect for creating a soft and serene ambience. Garden lanterns. Lanterns come in various styles and can be placed on tables, hung from trees, or placed on the ground to add a decorative touch to your garden. Garden torches. Tiki torches and oil lamps can add a tropical and rustic feel to your outdoor space. They are excellent for themed garden parties. Wall sconces. Attach outdoor rated wall sconces to your house or garden walls to provide bath illumination and style. Underwater lighting. If you have a pond or water feature, consider submersible LED lights to create a stunning underwater display. Fire pits and fireballs. Combine warmth and light by incorporating a fire pit or fireball. These not only provide light but also keep you and your guests cozy. Color changing lights. Smart LED lights can change colors, allowing you to switch up the ambience according to your mood or for special occasions. Solar lights. Eco friendly and easy to install, solar power lights are an excellent choice for gardens without access to electricity. Candlelight. Candles in glass containers or lanterns can create a romantic and intimate atmosphere. Be sure to use flameless candles for safety. Lighting in planters. Place lights in large planters or flower pots to showcase your favorite plants and provide a soft, indirect glow. Architectural lighting. Illuminate the architectural elements of your home like columns, eaves, or archways to give your garden a polished look. Seasonal decor. For holidays and special occasions, incorporate themed lighting elements to celebrate the season or event. Smart lighting systems. Consider investing a smart lighting system that allows you to control your garden lights remotely through a smartphone app offering convenience and flexibility. When planning your garden lighting, think about the purpose of each light, its effect on the atmosphere, and how it complements your garden's overall design. A well thought out combination of these lighting ideas can make your outdoor space come to life after dark, providing a delightful and inviting environment.